Welcome to my podcast series where I bring my written articles to you as audio. This is a recording of my article, From AI Model to Marketplace, How Entrepreneurs Can Turn AI Capabilities into New Businesses. We are living in the most disruptive shift in tech entrepreneurship. For the first time, advanced AI models, from large language models to image generators, are not just tools for internal productivity. They are platform capabilities that anyone can build on top of. Let me show you what I mean. Custom GPTs inside ChatGPT, from AI feature to monetizable product. If you've never tried it, a custom GPT is like a personalized AI assistant you can train with your knowledge, tone, and workflows. In my recent YouTube video, link in the comments, I show how I build them and how they're already valuable for me. But here's where it gets interesting. A company called TopRoad saw the opportunity in custom GPTs and went further. They built a platform that connects directly to published GPTs inside ChatGPT that adds payment processing, analytics, usage, engagement, and geolocation, audience management, and email list building. They didn't build the AI model, OpenAI did, but by layering business infrastructure on top, they created new value, enabling GPT creators to monetize, track, and grow their audience. That's the pattern I want you to notice. An AI company releases a capability, for example, model API, custom tools. An entrepreneur packages it for specific audience with added features. The result is a new business model that didn't exist before. Value for OpenAI, TopRoad, and anyone building custom GPTs for public use. Other industries, same playbook. A company called Caimera is doing this for the fashion and e-commerce world. They use advanced open source and proprietary image generation models trained for ultra-realistic apparel and model photography. Fashion brands can now create entire lookbooks, campaigns, and product visuals without costly photo shoots, complete with accurate textures, lighting, and model diversity at a fraction of the time and cost. Another company, Ameba, is taking the same model-driven approach but focusing on supply chain management and managing logistical processes of a business. They combine different AI generation engines into one intuitive platform, allowing clients to rapidly react to supply chain issues, adapt and communicate with their suppliers and customers in real time. Even I've jumped on this wagon. Together with my brother, we just launched Otto, a mobile application that is an AI-powered financial assistant. We built it to solve our own messy expense management, but quickly saw its wider potential. Otto lets you snap photos of receipts and generate invoices and transfer data instantly into your records using an AI model. These records can be shared and managed with other users, and the app can set reminders and export accounts-ready reports and issue invoices easily. What makes it exciting is how it draws on multiple AI models. ChatGPT and Gemini power the assistant features, while Claude has been central in helping us refine and develop the product. If you need to track and manage your finances, give it a try. The link is in the description. In the cases mentioned, the AI models provide the raw generative power, but the business opportunity lies in wrapping them with workflows, interfaces, and services that solve real industry pain points. The core engine, AI models. Whether it's ChatGPT, Google's, or Anthropic's LLMs, Stable Diffusion's, or Black Forest Labs image generation, or Runway's video synthesis, the value begins with the model itself. These models have been trained on enormous data sets and can perform tasks that would have taken specialized teams weeks or months or even years. On their own, they're like high-performance engines. Powerful, but not a finished product. The entrepreneur's role is to attach the engines to a vehicle people can actually drive, make it reliable, repeatable, and easy to use, and add the business model. Subscriptions, pay-per-use, upsells. Why this matters for entrepreneurs. For the first time, you don't need to raise millions to build an AI-powered product. You can tap into these existing models via APIs, or as with custom GPTs, configure them directly inside the platform. The entry costs are low, the speed to market is fast, and the demand is real, because these AI tools solve real problems in content creation, communication, and business operations. I see entrepreneurs using AI capabilities to build niche assistance for legal, medical, or creative industries, create automated marketing tools for small businesses, offer specialized content generation or data analysis as subscription service, and most importantly, they're building income streams around it. Here's the thing. I believe we're in a short-term AI gold rush, where smart entrepreneurs can create meaningful value and revenue by packaging existing AI capabilities into focused market-ready products. But the midterm picture is less certain. If AI models continue to evolve toward true autonomy, able to run businesses on their own end-to-end, the current opportunity structure could reduce substantially or even collapse. Platforms like TopRoad, Caimera, and Ameba thrive because AI still needs human framing, packaging, and strategy. For now, the opportunity is massive. In the future, the question becomes, if AI can run the whole business, where do we fit in? How do we retain the benefits and value we created? That's a conversation some of us are only beginning to have. So if you like this content, then hit the like and subscribe. And let me know of cool businesses you've seen utilize AI in innovative ways in the comment section. And if you're curious about how AI could fit your business, contact me. I help businesses unlock real value with AI, from workflow automation to smarter decision making. Whether you're exploring how AI fits into your business or want to improve your processes, I've got you covered. Contact me to set up an intro call. Thanks for listening. I'm Gore.